What's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to mute the feedback tones of your JBL Flip 6 portable speaker. Now feedback tones are the tones that you get from your speaker anytime you turn it on. When it connects to Bluetooth. And anytime you switch off your phone. All these are what you call feedback tones. Now to disable these tones, you'll need the JBL Portable app on your smartphone. So go ahead and install the JBL Portable application. Here it is. And of course, you must have paired the phone to the speaker via this JBL Portable app. You can find this app on the iOS or on the Android App Store. Now from the app homepage, once the speaker is connected, as you can see, the JBL Flip 6 is the active speaker right now. Go ahead and switch off feedback tones. And once you do that, the feedback tones will now disappear. So for instance, when I switch off the speaker, or when I switch it back on, and when it connects to Bluetooth, everything is quiet now. And that's basically how to mute or to disable the feedback tones from your JBL Flip 6. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.